Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to avoid congestion charges in Waze. If you're driving in a city that has congestion charge zones, Waze can help you choose routes that avoid those areas whenever possible. Here's how to set it up. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the menu icon. Next, go to Settings, then tap Navigation. Scroll through the navigation options and look for Avoid Toll Roads. Turn this option on so Waze will try to find routes that don't include toll roads or congestion charge areas when possible. After that, enter your destination and view the available routes. If Waze offers multiple options, choose the one that doesn't show a congestion charge or toll before you start driving. In some cities, Waze automatically avoids congestion zones unless your destination is inside the charging area. Keep in mind that if your destination is located with a congestion charge zone or if there is a practical alternative route, Waze may still direct you through that area. And that's it. That's how you can avoid congestion charges in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.